Hey guys, Fangirl Cheryl here. You wanna know what's so funny? I thought I figured out my pause button on my video recording on my phone. So I'm presently making. Do they have to come out yet? And they have to come out now. I'm making. Okay, now I can show you the ending. I just made a video on those cheesy onion rings. And now I'm going to bring them out because I'm making something else. Oh, I need a towel. Let's see what they look like. Ooh, I gotta say. Can you see that? Look. These definitely have got to cool. I'll roll you around with me. See, I gotta tell you what, they smell pretty fantastic. So yeah, so I'm gonna let them cool and then we'll taste one. In the meantime, while I have my little oven on, which is why I did this, use up that heat that's already in there, you know. What I've done is I made some mini meatloafs with lean ground beef. I took out some, out of the freezer there, and I got in there some onion, I can just look, garlic powder, a little bit of red pepper, just a little zing, and some basil, some oregano. I was gonna say oil of oregano because I use that, but some oregano and yeah, salt and pepper, paprika, of course, and some cheese. And I also put, for binding, I haven't done meatloaf in a very long time, and I haven't done muffin meatloaf for a very long time. Not that there's much of a difference, but I put an egg, and I crushed up 4 gluten-free crackers. I don't know. We'll see how that pulls together. I was gonna put in some mushrooms, don't have any. So my recipes are never the same because I use whatever you got, eh? Use what you got, folks. Use what you got. So in the meantime, I'm gonna throw these in the oven, and let's see, can you see those? No, you can't see nothing. Can't see nothing. And then we're going to, oh, this is cooling a bit already. We're gonna check out these onion rings. Okay, let me get this cooking. Oh la, baby. Oh, yeah. I need this off because I need the rack to go under the meatloaf so I don't get drippings everywhere. You know, drip, drip, drip. Wee, wee, wee. The fire alarm, or however, dee, 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 dee. That's what it does. So let's get these chips on the go. Have you tried these yet? Oh, they're not quite solid enough, but you ever have one of those moments when you do something too soon and you kind of screw it up? This could be one of those moments because it just could be. Tell you the truth, this ain't looking so grand for me. 20 minutes. Come on. All right. This is Van Girl Cheryl saying, my onion chips didn't work out. Look. Not crispy enough. I'm going to throw them back in the oven, and I'll let you know what happens, but I probably won't even post this video. Maybe I will. Hey, it's a fail. A fail is a success because you learned something from it. Let's see what I learned. Let's see if I can fix this. All right. Ciao for now. If you see someone without a smile, give them yours.